Join me as I take on the challenge of creating a super realistic water splash animation in Blender, and I'll show you all the tricks along the way. In this video, you'll learn how to create a stunning water splash animation in Blender, perfect for your next creative endeavor. I started by creating a plane that will serve as the water source. Then, I made a cube where the entire simulation will happen. After that, I adjusted the viewport to get a clearer view of the scene. I added collision to the bottle using the particle system. I set the cube as the domain in the particle system and switched the domain type to liquid. For the plane, I changed its type to flow and tweaked the settings a bit. I further configured the cube settings in the particle system. I bumped up the resolution to generate more particles for better detail. Once the particles were ready, I converted them to a mesh. Then, I tested the animation to make sure everything worked smoothly. I added textures and an HDRI map using Blender Kit to enhance the scene. Finally, I applied a motion blur effect to make the movement more realistic. To wrap up, we've covered the essential techniques for creating a realistic water splash animation, emphasizing the importance of simulation settings and material adjustments. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other videos for more Blender tips and tricks.